Yeah, Prince, good morning. I'm sorry, Salome. I thought this meeting was for the content team.
No, no, sir.
No, Prince, there's no issue. But when is the meeting for the content team?
Sir, today, Choma is not going to be available. So that's why we'll not be having the meeting this morning.
Oh, okay. I was just surprised as well what's going on. But okay, Prince, what's up now?
Yeah, okay. All right.
All right. So when you went over the document, what did you get out of it?
So that's basically like the pitch that was supposed to tell them. Was supposed to tell them the importance or how T'Challa can help increase their customer interaction rates with the whole calls, the missed call menu, IVR. Basically listing all the features of T'Challa and how he helps their business.
Okay.
The
All right.
yeah, basically
Okay. Okay. What else? Sorry, please go ahead.
Yeah, so it just basically lists all the features and explains every feature so that in case they ask about it, you'll be able
All
to
right. So
explain
what
it.
what benefits would this telecoms company get?
So the one that I thought was like my top two were the revenue generation and the missed calls one, where you have I think it's a callback feature where every missed call is not left. So this was like my top two that do that for me for the benefits.
All right. So let me give you a perspective into our approach and the way we think about this. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So if you look at first of all, if you look at the landscape of the way Nigerians think, right? When we build each other, we build them for what SMEs.
Yeah.
But if you zoom out, Nigerians really are not fans of software. So they're not fans of apps, except they have some level of organization you get.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that means that we're fighting an uphill battle. One, two. These telecoms guys already have some. They're already servicing some people with their internet. Why don't they just go ahead and service them with their numbers? So we figured that okay, these guys, these ISPs or these guys we're currently speaking with, they have difficulty onboarding their own customer. Like, do you get that?
Mm-hmm.
So that with that difficulty, we'll be wondering now what can we do on our part to, like, for example, is right now, right? If any of these guys want to onboard a new customer, this is how the conversation goes. Good afternoon. You can have our number. Okay, fine. Let's imagine the person has agreed to get the number from these guys. They'll give you like a laundry steps you should take. Download this app, type this, type that, type this, type that. So what that means is that when it comes to onboarding customers, the steps is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening.
One, the steps is just ridiculous. One, two, is because they are using a third party application. They are very limited to what they can do. So the amount of services they can render is capped. It's just limited to what that thing is doing. So for example, is they can't run IVR systems. Whenever a missed call comes into their server, they cannot contact they cannot contact the person. Okay, you missed the call.
Yeah.
They can't. So we figured that fine. These are their real problems. One, because they're using a third party application, by default they're limited to what they can achieve. And that limitation is actually a lot, right? Because they are missing out on a lot of potentials. So what we are saying now is that okay, fine. Let's be your let's be your let's be your should I say your tech partner in this case, where we build the thing for you guys and you guys are no longer limited. You guys own your own infrastructure and all that. So that's the idea we came with. And since they already have customers, right? When they already have a sales team, they have customers they are servicing internet to. To be easier for them to sell that service to their existing customers already.
Yeah.
So and plus again, it's supposed to help engagement with their customers. So their customers, at least knowing that the company has an app already and the app is functional, it should be a win-win for them. So that's the idea behind it. So that being said, is Okay. Well, so with that being said, what we're expecting from them now is, all right. Let's onboard. You just focus on getting your clients, and we focus on building that. You, since from the way of user experience, you are UX
Yeah.
person. I'm going to see from that idea that instead of say, for example, is okay, your marketers will go and market somebody. Because imagine this, they come to sell you on an idea, right? And in that idea now, fine, after you've bought into the idea, you have to take like 1,000 steps, maybe to be realistic, 9 steps before you actually get to use
Get to the main.
the
Yeah.
service. On two,
That's your thought.
you are limited by what you can do because you are only using a third party application. Let me see what other aspect am I looking at again. Basically, if those limitations are the main problem. There's something else that came to my mind and you escaped it again. Yeah, summary of it all is that we are trying to take off that thing. And also they are trying to compete since they have those special value rights. They are literally competing with the likes of MTN, which does not make any sense. Right. So my point being that the world has moved beyond just give me a phone number, let me make calls. Some people want extra services, and you get with those extra services and their current system, that is their current limitation to what they can do. So that's why we are pushing towards enterprise people, and again, they're the ones that pay the most. If I to be honest,
Yeah.
so that's like the frame
Small
behind it.
people.
Yeah, that's the frame. That's the idea behind it. So we're doing outreach. How I say it.
He's reaching out to multiple companies.
Exact. Yes. So we are hyper focused on telecoms companies.
Okay.
We're hyper focused on
Do you,
them.
do you do you already have like a list of these companies?
Yeah, we have a list of them. One, two. Some of them are already even licensed. So what that means is they're already there on the NCC's website. And so we have like but they're already on NCC's website. So I'll show you how to get them.
Okay.
Yeah, so I feel something like that is much preferred to use, I think, LinkedIn, since it's a much more professional setting.
Yeah.
I'll consider LinkedIn more. It seems you were about to say something.
No. I'm listening.
Okay, so OJ, also. Praise, do you have any question so far?
No, not at all.
So let's start the outreach soon. I think so. If you look at that document, right, the approach we're saying is that we have features quite alright, but we're selling benefits, right? So what we're saying now is that we want you to take our app and go and sell it to other people. So the benefits that you bring to the telco and the benefits that the telco customers will get is also important, right? Although what is more important is what the telco will get.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, at the same time, we also have to help the marketing team. Want to make it be like we have seen the problem with marketing this solution, and we feel like this is how we can come together. Again, these guys even have difficulty recharging their lines. To be very, very frank. It's very difficult to recharge any of these lines, but with our solution, it becomes super easy and everything.
It's difficult. Like
So
regular.
for most of these guys, so if you want to recharge on their lines, you probably do a transfer, you now call them or send them an email that I've done a transfer or go ahead and credit my account.
Top to top.
Top it up. So you see, all this issue now is this whole idea of user experience is out the window. Like to them they are very comfortable because they've not seen a better idea, right?
That's the only way they know.
Yeah, exactly. But you have to bring it to the idea that things has changed, and if you really want to if you really want to scale this stuff, you're going to have to, shall I say, put some systems in place. And we are providing you those systems that we want you to put in place. Any questions so far?
No, not at all. I'm good.
Has it not seen the list of like leads? Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Enjoy.
So when you say
Yes,
leads, what are you referring to?
The Excel that we have all those telecom guys name, company name on.
I want to give him the, what do they call it, the one from NCC's website directly.
Oh, okay. Oh,
So the telecom deals you already have. The idea behind it is that you need to have like a spreadsheet first, right? This spreadsheet will contain. I mean,
Yeah, I'm listening to you. Yeah.
the spreadsheet will contain what do they call it? The name of the company and an email or a LinkedIn account to somebody who works in that company. You get. Let's start with that. Just gather
A link
people.
to the company.
So like
So that's what
you
this
you
spreadsheet
search for the
has.
company on LinkedIn and figure out people who work in that company.
Okay.
So now we're targeting people majorly around the marketing sector in that company because they're the ones who are doing the outreach, right?
Yeah.
Either the marketer or somebody who is an executive in that company. You get that?
Yeah, I get.
So let's start by send your email to me on what do you call it? Send your email to me on this. I'll send you something. So just follow that pattern. The name of the company, somebody that works in the company. Let's know what they do there. Then we'll take it up from there by 12:31.
All right. All right.
Okay,
So you know.
all right. Does anybody have anything to say?
Yeah, yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, as soon as you have resolved your LinkedIn issue, that is by 12:30, I expect to get feedback from you. But I'm sending a document to your Gmail now. Start with the one that says telecommunications first. Then let's start adding the ones that are registered. Then I think by 2 p.m. you can start sending out connection messages. But just now, between now and 12:30, fix up your LinkedIn. You can use YouTube videos for that, but get like a picture of a professional one. We'll tweak your bio to make it look like you're an expert in like the VoIP space and everything, in the app customization space and everything. You get. Then yes, then by 12, then also the leads. So by 12:30, we're coming together. Then by 2, you should start sending out something. Okay, so today is supposed to be day 2 of my boxing. Apparently, coach called in and asked me to be somewhere else rather than this gym. I don't know why, but for some strange reasons, he's already late. I discovered that my son just come, do some warm up, and call it a day. But today has been today was a rest day for me. Man. It was a serious rest day because I discovered that I had a lot of content. I mean, I had a lot of content for the next 1 or 2 months. I started to like calm down to So I to add little structure to them because I'm like stepping up my success game in phases. Today the major focus was on thumbnails, how we can have like a proper system for thumbnails, which we got, and I'm happy with that. It's pretty simple. So they pick a frame in the video and they add the text. So the whole idea of the text is the titles are to help open a question loop in the reader's mind, while the thumbnail is to hint at it. So the first one I gave was you should design your life. And the thumbnail is don't set goals, right? So when you say don't set goals, that's a very very uncommon advice, right? Design your life, not set goals. So having that little text in the thumbnail, I will put it on the left side so that it's what's that word? It flows basically. So we want to keep obviously we're going to keep iterating things. Later on we'll add music later on, but the entire point is to keep it simple because I'm focused on people who are here for value and not for entertainment. So let me check out my weight. Let me see what my weight feels like. Why do I have a feeling that my coach might be whoa? So I was 95 yesterday, and today I'm at 97. I don't know what I've caused the increase, but it is very interesting. So I'm already done my warm up. What am I doing now is I'll try warming up. This time around, I would warm up with some push-ups, right? So it's 3 minute skip, and I might try 3 minute skip and 30 push-ups. Let's let me try that. Let me try that. Let me see how it goes basically. So when I'm done with here, I'm going to make long form video. At the same time, I'm going to like get bullet points, get my hooks for my video short form for tomorrow because I did not record. I basically came up today with a very disoriented mind. So I would say it's been quite a lot. All right, so 3 minute skip and about 30 push-ups, maybe 20 push-ups. Ah, and I'm already done with my skips already though. Just using this to pass every time.
Can I touch you?
Go ahead.
I just want to touch
Go
it.
ahead. Does it feel heavy or what? Is it heavy? This is heavy now. You want something heavier than this? Okay, no problem. I wonder which. Yeah? She get what she's looking for. What's that?
That's one day sure say this good.
74-6.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh. What happened?
No, I don't actually do.
Yeah. Wait, step back a little bit. Go back.
This is 5 now.
Okay. Go back, go
I'm
back.
afraid of checking.
5-3.
But you know, say this thing must have been.
Oh God!
I'm telling you.
No, check it. Look at where it is. 5. Because the 3 is already here. It's not from 0 either. You get? It is not from 0. Ah, lucky. What does that mean? That's violence.
I know Alex, I'm not that heavy now.
Okay, no, we're waiting for you. Okay, wait, check your weight now. Just check now. Check
Why
again.
are you laughing at me?
Check again. Check again. Check again. Yes. You're shooting out to a kg.
Exactly.
You're laughing at me.
So I'm 6.3. Don't remove my shoe.
What? No, your shoe will still keep you at maybe 66.8.
It's not
So
bad now.
it's not bad.
Yes,
It's not bad.
yeah, check your.
Obviously, I'm 90 something, 95, 97.
Let's see.
See how you
I'm 97 now. You're looking for trouble, though. Only can continue this trouble you're looking for. 97 now.
know, 95.
No, it's more than 96.
96. Yeah, now so much, but for so much.
We resumed together. So,
I thought she remembered.
I thought she remembered.
Interesting.
No longer with them. I left for him.
Is that the first one?
Yes.
That's crazy.
They are not
They wanted to kill you.
They are not
They wanted to take your
serious.
life.
I swear.
It happens now. It happens. But yeah, where are you now?
Credit.
Still fintech.
Yeah, okay. I thought it was going to be India. The fintech. 1 week on, like 1 week in a month.
1 week on, 1 week off.
So 1 week in a month. Every first week of the month.
You guys come to the office. There's only 3 weeks.
Apartment. Monday to Friday.
Everybody works there. You stay in the apartment for 7 days.
In the office, apartment for 1 week. Then
Ah.
the next month.
Interesting.
That's not what I do.
It's hybrid though. We're going to work every day now.
That's proper stuff.
Yeah, it's not bad now.
So bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
I have to wake up every. I'm registered.
Next week you'll be fine. Again. I don't know. Oh boy. Oh, okay. So I'm just like goofing around. I'm not even sure I'm going to upload this video. I never stopped. Morning.